You won't believe the pro-level photo edits you can do for free with Google Photos. It's packed with powerful tools that rival Lightroom without paying a dime. Watch now to uncover these hidden tips and tricks which probably are new to you. Starting with changing your photos to cinematic videos. Open any photo. Works best if there is good amount of space between the foreground and the background. Tap the three-dot menu on the top right, and here you will find the create option, and below select cinematic photo, and it will start the process of creating the cinematic photo. Takes a few moments, and here's the output. It adds cinematic camera panning, saves this as a video. You can even see how it calculates different amounts of depth of field if it detects more space between the objects. It even works offline. Not sure if this is exclusive to Pixel devices. If not, your phone needs to be online for this to work. Do you want to change the lighting of a face on your portrait photo? Open a portrait photo, go to Tools, and the first option, which is normally available only for portrait photos, is Portrait Light. You just drag the slider to increase or decrease the light on the face or the whole portrait. You can notice the light changing on the hair too, which is different from the face. Shadows become more brighter with added details. In the Add Light option, you get a pointer to drag. Basically, it will be like a source of light and place anywhere to change the direction of the light on the face. Other options here to add more blur to the background. Color pop with adjustment sliders. Magic Eraser works a lot better than the Lightroom remove feature in my opinion. In this photo, you can see some electric wires and other things which can be cleaned by going to the tools and selecting Magic Eraser. It automatically starts exploring suggestions and suggests them, which are almost what we should be looking for. You can tap to erase them if you want to keep those parts. One tap erase all, and it cleans up the photo with a single click. The other option, camouflage, takes similar colors from the surroundings to camouflage them. Here, just drawing around this pole. You can see it changes only the color and doesn't remove it. This is one more example on how well it works with a single tap. It not only removes all the distractions in the background, also the people. The finished photo doesn't look like it is edited. Couple of sliders here straight from Lightroom. This is the better way to add contrast and pop the image. Tuning the whites and the black sliders. In the Adjust menu, other than the basic ones, you can increase the brightness of the white point, which only brightens the brightest parts of the image. Likewise, sliding the black point slider towards left darkens the darkest areas of the image, which gives nice pop to the image. You can see the difference here. Contrast looks great. Google Photos isn't just for photos, it can edit videos too. You can trim the videos, stabilize shaky videos, and you have also this audio eraser feature. It detects sounds from the video and can split them into different categories. This video I shot has only nature sounds. You can not only decrease the sound of them, you can also enhance them. This also works best when you have human voices and want to mute them or enhance them compared to the other sounds. You can export any frame from the video and save it. You can also speed up a particular part of the video easily. With high FPS videos, you can slow parts of the video down too. I also tried the Magic Editor to remove this parked car from the photo. Works similar to Magic Eraser. You can see it not only removes the car but also the shadow of it without those areas not selected. Works really well. You can even just tap the object to get the selection right, and you have the options to refine it further. You can move or resize by pinch zoom to get this interesting effect. This Astro photo was shot on Pixel 4a a few years back, and this automatically detects it as a night sky photo and gives this Astro option in the suggestions. With a single click, you get this enhanced photo. You'll certainly think if this was actually shot on a mobile or a dedicated camera. Google Photos now allows users to enhance standard dynamic range HDR photos to Ultra HDR, making them pop with brighter highlights and deeper contrast on compatible displays. This feature uses machine learning to intelligently boost the image, effectively converting HDR images into a format closer to what an HDR display can showcase. App also ensures that HDR photos edited within the app retain their full dynamic range and metadata. This feature is still widely rolling out. I actually saw this feature on my phone a couple of weeks back, but has disappeared at the time of making this video. Hopefully, we'll see this option back soon. You can also easily enhance the skin tones of a portrait without affecting other parts of the image. You can find this option in Adjust menu. Just swipe the slider left or right to de-enhance or enhance the skin tones. If you have kids or pets, you should know how difficult it is to get a perfect photo with a lot of random moments going on. Unblur works quite well to rectify these photos. Here's one example of it. Other than suggestions giving you options to enhance the images, it also transforms the skies by setting a different mood. You can find the sky options in Tools, which changes the vibe of your photos with a single tap. Have you tried the search option in Photos? If you can't recall what you're looking for exactly, you can just remember a random thing like, for example, the thing being color red here, and just key the word red in the search option. And there you get all the photos with some red in it. Here all the photos with wood, from trees to other vegetation. Documents, trains, works with almost any word you put. You also don't need to key words only. It also works with emojis too. Trying some random emojis to search here. Searching for rose, and it finds all the photos with a rose in it. This works only if your photos are uploaded to the Google storage. Hope you found these tips and tricks useful, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.